Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a floating eyeliner tutorial. I went ahead and did one side so you get kind of a preview of what I'm going for. But I'm going to show you how I do my floating eyeliner. So if you want to see what I do, then just keep watching. So I take Scotch tape and I cut out a little triangle. And this triangle is going to go as close to your lash line as possible, but you also want to have some space out here. So you're just going to try and place it about in with the very far edge in the middle of your eye. You're just going to want to pat that down a little bit so that way it sticks really well. And then for my floating eyeliner, for my look, I went in with the Kathleenlights Dream Street palette, and it is kind of hard to open your eye with this on because then it kind of peels it off. So my first step is to go in with this peachy shade, and I blended this in my crease and up pretty high. And then I went in with this brown shade and focused this more so just in the crease. And then I'm going to take some more of that peachy shade and just blend out these edges. And then I am going to take this flat shader brush and I'm going to take this blue shade and I'm just going to pack this onto my eye. And then I'm going to go back into that darker brown shade and really blend out the crease. And then I'm going to take this Skone Insanely Intense Tattooed Liner. After I get my baseline, I like to take mine off to finish the wing. And then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edge of this wing. Alright, and now I'm going to take the highlight I used on my face, and it is the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder, and this one's in the shade Precious Petal. I'm just going to use it to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Alright guys, so here is the final look. For my first attempt at floating eyeliner, it actually turned out really well. So I'm actually quite impressed. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, there will be a little circle somewhere over here with my face on it. You can click on it to subscribe. Or if you want to watch my most recent video, there will be a box over here on this side that you can click on and watch my most recent video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!